Imagine a world where, with the right tools and determination, it's possible to make a difference. Welcome to the realm of creativity and innovation, where ideas transform into reality. Many are the dreamers, but few are the doers. Those who have the courage to take that bold step, to turn their vision into action, to not just think but to create. The art of bringing ideas to life, it's not just about having a vision but the will to make it happen. From the spark of an idea to a fully realized concept, the journey is filled with challenges and triumphs. It's a path that requires perseverance, resilience, and an unwavering belief in oneself. Whether it's a groundbreaking invention, a novel piece of art, or a revolutionary business model, it all starts with an idea, but it doesn't end there. It's brought to life through action, through the courage to take that first step. So, in this ever-evolving world, dare to dream, dare to create. Because it's not just about having an idea, it's about making it happen. This is the realm of creativity and innovation. Welcome, and let the journey begin.